Hi there. Okay, I'm super excited about this next live class that I'm doing. It's a Zoom class, and I'm calling it a special edition. It's an abstract live workshop based on my abstract mini class, but this is like an upgrade. So it's a couple years since I've done that class. I want to paint with you in person. Well, actually, not in person, but close enough on Zoom, but paint with you so you have opportunity to ask any questions. We can go over things. I'm going to be using all my favorite art supplies. So you might see, oh, I'm using this, and maybe you want to get that at some point in time, but you'll get to ask questions about that. Also meet other people on Zoom. It's so much fun to see other artists at work. And we're just going to have like 2 hours of play, and that's what I call it. It's something that I want to label even as joy therapy. And I just happen to be wearing my joy apron because that's what it's all about. I was just thinking the other day as I was creating, it really is about the experience and the process of making art for me that gives me all my joy, not so much the final piece. I mean, it's great when the final piece looks good, but it's really about being in that moment. So I thought it'd be really fun for us to just paint together, work on an abstract piece together, and you get to see all the behind the scenes stuff on that. So in the class, I'm going to be painting on paper. I'm going to be painting on watercolor paper, probably an 8x10, but you can paint on anything. So like you could paint on a cradle board, you could paint on a canvas, you can paint on paper and have your edges taped off, which I'm going to be doing an abstract piece on probably an 8.5x11. I say probably in case I change my mind live, but I doubt it. It's going to be something that could fit in the screen so you can see it really clearly. But you can paint on anything. I am using all my favorite supplies. You can use whatever you want. You can take the class with me and paint and then decide, oh, I want to get that supply or not get that. That's up to you. I'm going to be using acrylic paints. So if you bring oils, I'm not going to be able to help you, but bring acrylic paints. And we are just going to dive into the many fun layers you can do on one piece and come out with a beautiful abstract, just something that you can hang on your wall or you could give as a gift. And it's just a really fun way to just spend some time together and make art. So I hope you're going to love it. It is like all my classes, there's a lifetime access. This class, there'll be a replay available, and it's on January 18th. It's at 12 o'clock Pacific. And if you sign up now, you actually get a really good deal because it's only $17 for early price, and then it will go up to $38. So I think it goes up on the 18th or the day after. But anyway, I hope you come. I hope you have fun. If you've taken the other class, that's great. This is going to be that class supersized, upgraded. It'll be so much fun. I hope to see you there, and I will talk to you soon.